Hi guys, I did a video yesterday assembling this kite in the wind in the car park. It was too noisy and you really wouldn't have been able to see what I was doing, other than it was a genuine example of trying to put the kite together outdoors in the wind. So I thought I'd do it again indoors in the peace and quiet and follow the instructions. So that's the bare kite without the string on it and without the spars. I'll follow the instructions. So first thing, place the kite face up with the England badge showing. Locate the 3 grommets and ensure the string passes through them as indicated in the first diagram. Right, so yeah, that's got to be through there, that one through there. Right, so the string's in the right place. It does go on to say tie the handles or the lines on, but I'm not going to do that because they'll just get in the way. Turn the kite over so the England badge now faces down. Okay. Locate the 3 short sections of pole and the 2 plastic connectors. Two plastic connectors and 3 short pieces of pole. I've taken it apart completely, so that's why we've got all these little bits hanging around. Okay. Check these are all the same length. Yeah, they are. So 2 of these should have rubber bits on them. Pockets, no, point F and G. F and G. So one in there. One in there. String loop, got to go through there. Might be a problem. It's gone a bit tight. I'll just open those out a little bit if I can. one's on. Right, bits of string are in place. And place the plastic connectors on. And then that piece goes through the fabric loop at point H, that one. Okay. Okay, so far, still in camera shot, I haven't moved out of the way too far. Locate the two string loops protruding from the knot in grommet C, that one. Enlarge both loops. Yep, they enlarged okay. Locate the two long sections with the thicker diameter. Yes, that one's thinner, these are thicker. And these should have the rubbers on both ends. Place the ends of one in the fabric pockets I and J. I, J. Okay. And then the other one, K and L. K. And L. Third section. It's rubber on both ends. Threaded through the fabric tunnel there, ensuring the two longer sections are underneath. Might have got that wrong on the day when we were trying to do it. And also through the loops. So through one loop, through there. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. And through the other loop. Yeah, we definitely got that wrong on the day, which probably accounted for it not flying as well as it should have done. I think I had this underneath them. And then in the pockets M and N. There we go. Yeah, that is correct. It says check that. Wait a minute. It's showing that loop through there as well. Like that. That would make a difference, because this was collapsing. That's going to hold it open, I think. That's better, because when I was flying it, that was collapsing right in. Right, that's it. So we'll give that another try flying it, because we did have some problems flying it. It kept collapsing, and I think that would be if this was coming in too close, and also I think, I'm not sure whether I had that under a rover. And the line, I was quite disappointed with the line. It's that sort of stuff that if you let it go loose, it all wrinkles up on itself. But we will give that another go. One thing I didn't mention, the reason I'd taken it apart completely, taken the string out and everything, is I had to wash it. Because after the previous flight, it had dog poo over it where it had landed, so it had to have a wash. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.